Well, it was a pleasant day today in the WEIU viewing area. It was not quite as warm as yesterday, but temperatures still got into mid-low 50s, 55 in Terre Haute, 54 down in Effingham. We're between right around 51 and 52 for the rest of the viewing area. Looking at our weather bug cam now, we're starting to see some clouds move in. The sun was out today, but clouds are beginning to move in, and that's building up for what we're going to see overnight tonight and into tomorrow. We're dropping down to 37, but the real story is the heavy rain that we're going to be seeing again overnight tonight and into tomorrow. We have northeast winds overnight tonight at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those are going to pick up as we move into tomorrow. We do have a flood watch in effect, so that's starting at 1 a.m. tomorrow morning for these counties right there, the southeastern portions of the viewing area. That stays in effect until 1 a.m. on Saturday morning. For the rest of the viewing area, we have a wind advisory in effect as well, starting at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning until midnight Saturday morning. So a lot going on. I'm going to give you all the details right now, starting with our daily breakdown. Again, we have that heavy rain. We have a high of 42. That's going to take place in the midday hours, and we're going to see those temperatures drop. But again, we're seeing this heavy rain. That's going to move in overnight tonight, and we're going to see that rain throughout the day tomorrow until we get into the evening hours tomorrow. Like I said, those temperatures are dropping. That's going to give us the chance for a wintry mix or even some snow in some portions of the viewing area. As we look at our futurecast here, starting late tonight around 11 p.m., we're starting to see that rain move into the viewing area, and as we continue to move through, we're going to see some heavy rain throughout the evening tonight, but mostly in the morning hours. The heaviest rain is going to be taking place in the mid-morning hours. A lot of yellow and orange, even some red up by Champaign. So that's where we're going to see that heaviest rain. And then as we move into the evening hours, we see some pink and blue move through now as those temperatures drop. Again, we have the chance for some wintry mix, and we're going to see some snow in some portions of the viewing area, mostly in those northern portions, places like Danville, Champaign. That's where you're going to see the most snow, potentially Decatur as well, but it's going to start as a wintry mix. The timing of this is really going to depend on how quickly those temperatures drop. You saw on the daily breakdown around 6 p.m., that's where we saw 32. We could see some snow by then. This is where we're seeing it right now on Futurecast as well, but as we continue to move forward, that will move out somewhat quickly. After that, by 11 p.m., we just could see some scattered showers throughout the viewing area. Now our rain projections, looking at the viewing area, you can see right around 2 inches in the northern portions of the viewing area. As we move south, those totals begin to increase. We could see upwards of 3 inches in places like Robinson and Effingham as well. But like I said, we're going to have potentially some snow as well, and our projected snow totals for the viewing area. Again, in the southern portions, we're not really expecting any accumulation. You're probably just looking at a wintry mix. As we move north now, we're going to see a little more snow totals, a trace to 3/4 of an inch in the central portions of the viewing area. Then as we move closer to Champaign, Danville, Decatur, see 1 to 2 inches. That's going to increase as we move farther north and we see those colder temperatures. As we look past that, we're going to see a rebound on Saturday, some warmer temperatures, a high of 52 on Saturday. And on Sunday, we continue to warm up. We get up to 59 and then up into the upper 60s on Monday.